Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where I do mainly budget videos, sip and sip videos, log videos, and other random videos thrown in here and there. In today's video, you will see some changes, and I will go through some of them as we go. The rest of them, I will do a sit down video and let you know what all is going on. In today's video, we will be seeing what I saved last week. We will be stuffing my cash envelopes as well as my savings envelopes. You will not see my savings challenges in here because I will no longer be stuffing my savings challenges. And as I said, I will sit down and talk to you all about that. If you are interested in this video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. 8. So in pennies, we saved 2, 4, 6, 8, 11 cents in pennies. 10, 25 in nickels, 30 cents in dimes, and $2.25 in quarters. In change, we saved $2.89. I saved $30 in my lunch money, $20 in my personal, $20 in miscellaneous, $20 in household, $10 in eating out, and $22 in groceries. So we saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 1, 10, 20, 21, 22. $122 in bills. Our total savings for the week was $124.89. So now we're going to get our money together so that we can start stuffing our envelopes. So we have 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84, 20, 40, 60, 85, 20, 40, 60, 86, 20, 40, 60, 80, 97, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 800, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So we will be stuffing $817. Miscellaneous will get $20, 10, 20. Household will also get $20, 10, 20. Eating out will get $80, 20, 40, 60, 80. And groceries will get $85, 20, 40, 60, 80, and 5. My husband will get 20, 40, 60 for his lunch, 20, 40, 50 for mine. My husband will get 30 for his personal. And I will also get 30 for my personal. So I'm going to place my cash envelopes in my wallet. And I'm going to place my lunch money and my personal in my wallet as well. And I'm going to put my husband's to the side until I'm ready to give it to him. You will not be seeing my savings challenges in this envelopes. We have done away with the savings challenges. We had an unexpected expense come up, and it was a rather large one. Instead of pulling from my savings and my emergency fund, we decided that we were going to take the money from our savings challenges to fund this expense. I know that's what the emergency fund is for, but I've been dipping into it too much. We will be starting another savings challenge, but it'll be on down in the future. And I will sit down and I will talk to you about it. I probably won't go into detail on what the issue was, but just know that the money was used to pay an unexpected expense. So now we're going to start with our savings envelopes, and birthday will get $5. And of course, there's nothing in birthdays because we have not stuffed it since the last birthday. Christmas will get $57. 55, 56, 57. So it gives us 50, 70, 90, 110, 20, 30, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. $151 in Christmas. Emergency fund will get $25. So it gives us 1,000, 100, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. $1,319 in emergency fund. Savings will also get $25. So it gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 50, 70, 90, 610, 630, 650, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. $659 in our savings envelope. Travel will get $5. So that gives us $20, $30, $35 in travel. Vacation will also get $5. So it gives us $20, $30, $5 in vacation. And that is all for our savings envelope. Beauty will get $15, 10, 15. In beauty, we have 10, 20, 30, $35 in beauty, and I did take $25 out because I went and got my nails done today. Debt Snowball, we did pay a lump sum on our Nail Net A. So Debt Snowball, we're starting all over, and it's going to get $200. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82. Lawn Care will get $20. So it gives us $20, $30, $40, $50, $55, $60 in lawn care. Mattress will get $15.